Three identical resistors are connected in parallel to a 12-volt battery. What is the voltage of any one of the resistors? So to answer this question, we just need to understand a property of parallel circuits. So if we were to take a voltmeter, okay, I'll just write it over here. Here's my little voltmeter. And if I were to take the two prongs on the voltmeter and attach them on either side of the 12-volt battery, my voltmeter would read 12 volts. Okay. Now, if I were to take those prongs and instead put them on either side of one of these resistors, say right there, and the other lead right here, it would still read 12 volts. And again, if I were to do the same thing and put it on either side of R2 or either side of R3, it's still going to read 12 volts. Every single one of these will. And so the property of resistors in parallel is that each of the branches, so each of these different branches, so this branch here, and then this branch here, and this branch here, they're all going to have, as long as there's a resistor on them, the same voltage drop across each of the resistors. This is something that you'll learn about a bit more, but each loop that you can draw on your circuit has to have 12 volts lost. So this loop has to lose 12 volts, and then this loop has to lose 12 volts, and the last one, this big loop, has to lose 12 volts from start to beginning. And since there's only one resistor in each of those loops, it has to lose all 12 volts in that little loop from the battery positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. So the voltage across any one of the resistors is going to be 12 volts.